Slips. Slips. No. So I'm pretty sure that's Bill, male koala. Not sure what he's doing. He's calling out to another one, I think. Oh, there you go. How fucking silly am I? One koala bear, two koala bears. Thought I heard two of them. They were making some really weird noises. This is about, I don't even know what the time is, probably 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning or something. I woke up to get a drink and I heard fucking commotion going on. So I've come running out. Just to show you. I'm fucking deep in the bush, shirtless. Just in a pair of pants that I chucked on quickly. Fucking gonna be fun getting back out. So this torch doesn't die, but how fucking cool is that? One koala bear, two koala bears. That's cool, man. That's cool, man. I reckon that's Bill, the one making the weird noises. That's the big old male. He's up there. I think this is it's either another young male or it's a female. The way Bill's trying to climb up that tree and the noises he's making, I'm thinking it's another young male and they're fighting or something, but I don't know enough about koalas. It's 3 in the morning and I want to get back to bed, so I'm going to let these guys do whatever they were doing. Have fun, koalas.